Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Market Analysis from Eurnzd.com. Today, I will show you an educational video under the name "How to Enter a Trade." Entering a trade is something very different from analyzing the market. Giving you an account for a certain market does not mean that each market is tradable once you know the Elliott count for that market. Choosing and waiting for an appropriate entry point is something not easy. Once you of course, we all passed the experience that you enter a trade and trade came against you and you closed, and once you closed the trade then started to move in your direction or in your previous direction trade. This is, as you see from the screen, this is Euro New Zealand daily time frame. As we see from this chart, we are in a correction. We are having, as you see, we having the first impulse. This is weekly chart. We are having the first impulse to the downside. Then the price started to correct to the upper side, showing two legs. We will concentrate on this piece of correction and try to build our trades from this correction and try to see exactly what is happening at this area. Let's go to smaller time frames, daily time frame. As we see, this is our piece of correction. We started with an impulse to the upside from this area, impulse to the upside, then corrective ABC, then we are in impulse to the upside. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And now we are moving to this piece of correction, wave C. Wave C, our trade should be at this part. Let me draw a channel line between this and this high and this low, and as we see, the whole price is moving within this channel. So an impulse of 5 waves should be existed right there. As we see from the channel, we have the first wave to the upside, first correction, second wave to the upside, then correction, then the last leg to the upside. And 5. Okay. So our trade should be existed at this leg, at this area. We have to go to a smaller time frames to see exactly what is happening there. Okay, we will keep the channel. This is our wave 5. We will draw another channel for this price, and as we see, the price is moving. The price is moving within this channel. Okay, so our trade is existed within this piece of correction. within this piece. So we have to pay more attention to this piece and try to find an appropriate entry point for our trade. I'll remove the channel. Okay, we go to 1 hour time frame. We draw a channel from this high to this high and put the price is moving within again within this channel. So our trade should be existed within this piece. Our entry point existed within this piece. We expect this is a corrective movement for the price. We expect the price to bounce to the upside, but we need a confirmation that the price doesn't go against us. So we go again to smaller time frames and check what is happening. This. Okay. So the whole movement of this correction is moving like this. This is A. This is B. In the form of running flat, and this is C. Is correction has ended at this place? Again, we go to 15 minutes time frame, and as we see from the chart, we have an impulse right there. We have an impulse right there from this area. Then we have a correction to the downside. So our entry point, our safe entry point, should be once the price started to move above this channel. We enter our long position, and our trades should be built at this area, and our stop loss should be below the corrective channel, and our target should be we can exit once the market establish a new high at this area and touching the blue line within the channel. Sometimes it does not do that for the to touch this blue line, and sometimes it touches the blue line and go above that. So we will start. We have to start counting from this area. So our trade should be from this bottom. From this area, as we see a corrective flag, from this area to this area, the price is about 1.7850. 1.7850. This is how we build our trades. You have to know you will start from the weekly chart, then start to know each time frame what is happening in this time frame. Then I prefer to take my position to have the best entry point, the best risk reward ratio based on 15 minutes chart. That's all. This is an educational video how to enter a trade. and good luck.